I don't.
Like that. Or we can just try to go in one direction and then just see.
What do you mean for what?
Are you gonna use it?
Mm-hmm.
Should we? I like that. Then I could be involved in it. Don't get my toes.
I'm not even good at your fingers.
Look, my feet are red. Why are they
What are
red?
you talking about? I literally only got this.
Look, my.
Wait, it's not open. When is it open?
For what? Like that? For what? Like, they all. Move that one. No, those ones on. Yeah. I don't think we've been waiting.
That's what I'm just saying.
Two different balls. Can I cut one?
Mm-hmm. Put on your plate.
No, I'm just gonna have it. Yeah, I just stuck it out.
I bought this pan specifically to make little sauces and syrups for coffee. Literally, my dad thinks it's the funniest thing ever. But today we're gonna attempt to make blueberry sauce. We did it one time for a pop-up that we did for Valentine's, but I'm gonna try to remake it because my sister made it last time, and I have this thing where I feel like I'm gonna burn every single sauce that I make. So I'm gonna try to find a recipe on TikTok that I can follow, or else I definitely will burn it. Which sounds stupid, but that's literally who I am.
Like on top of it?
Around?
Or around it?
Yeah.
You already recording it?
Mm-hmm.
Bismillah.
I'll be watching you.
But literally. Enough?
You can do as much as you want.
Whose drink is this?
This is yours.
Oh.
I already mine did.
Hold on. No, you take it. That's it.
No, that's yours.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I have espresso machine. Who are you waiting? Okay, I don't find that cute. Road. You said. Sally?
Her name's Sally.
Not Sally.
Shadow on mine, so y'all pick it. Oh, yeah.
That's so cute, the car.
I needed a ship.
That's crazy.